everybody, and welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today is Good Friday. Over the last few days we have not really done a whole lot of videos, I think, for the last couple of days. And the reason for that has been it's been such an excruciating heat wave here. It's been, I would say, in between 35 and 40 degrees. I heard somebody said just north of here they had 52 degrees Celsius. And for you that are in America, we're talking of temperatures between 95 and 110 degrees. So it's been really tough to do anything that requires a lot of physical environment. Anyway, we just want to, at this point, wish everybody a happy Easter. Enjoy the weekend, and we want to really give an appreciation for our subscribers. We've done this now for about 6 months, 7 months. We started somewhat around September, middle of September, and we had a slow growth of the channel up till March 1st. Something happened at March 1st, and our channel has been, in March we actually doubled what we had done in the first 5 months. It doubled in March, and so far in April we have already accomplished what we did in March, and we are most likely, it looks like we're going to double what happened in March. We're going to double it in April. That could not have been done without our subscribers, our watchers, and we just want to today give you all a appreciation for being on our channel and watching what we do. We would like to get a little more interaction. We are not a conventional touristy channel that we run around in the major tourist areas. However, we try to supply information to our viewers that pertain to living in the Philippines, where to live, where to go, and we're going to increase that a little bit here over the next few weeks, come up with some more. But saying that, we also like to have some more interaction with our viewers. You have a request, send it to us. We will try to accommodate you with questions, with answers, places to live, whatever it may be. Just come in to us and ask the questions. We will put up our private email, and you can go there and email us and talk to us and get things done that way. You can also go to our website, and I'm going to put a link right here, right now, which is shelljansen.com, and go to the contact form and send us some questions there, and we'd be happy to interact with you directly from that point. We just want to express a thank you to all our subscribers for our first 6-7 months here of this channel, and we will try to accommodate everybody. Make sure to send in your requests. You can do it through our website, like I said before, and you can also do it down in the comment section below here in the video, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible We have had a few requests where people are asking, can you film that area? I grew up here. Just to give some examples, we have people asking, you know, I grew up there, I lived there, now I live in the United States. Can you show us the area? And we have tried to accommodate everybody that does that, and we love to do that. It helps us to create content, but it also helps us to interact with our subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button today and hit the bell. You will get the information every time we upload a new video, and we'll go from there. You are the one that makes it possible for us to develop this. When we started, we said we're doing this just for fun, and it is fun to do this. We're growing our channel a little bit, and we want the interaction between us and you, our subscriber. Again, happy Easter, God bless, and you take care. Bye-bye.